Hi guys! Finally, welcome to my only official YouTube channel. So yeah, let's begin. We are ready with a few questions and hopefully if this video does well, we'll come back with part 2 for the same video and answer more questions. Are you asking me to go 16 years back in memory lane? So I think one of my first audition was for this hair oil thing. I had to sit on a chair similar to this. And जो casting में जो लोग थे they were helping me with the audition और मुझे बस reactions देने थे that मम्मा hair की चंपी कर रही है और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है और मैं इतनी nervous हो गई थी that I know I gave a very very bad audition, but that was my first experience in front of the camera. So yeah, 16 years down the line, memory line. Oh my god. Oh my god, are we really gonna talk about food? Because I think we'll need another video for this because I love food, okay? It makes me happy. But my comfort food when I come back home is the dal that my mom makes. It's kali dal and it has to be with a tadka and only garlic ka tadka and papad. So kali dal with rice and a garlic tadka and papad with it. It's my comfort food. For the recipe, you can comment down below. I'll ask my mom. She will give you all the insights about her special dal that she cooks only for me. My god, I don't know. You should ask my mom. Yeah, my mother too is so done with me. I mean, I don't know. Mama, मेरे लिए एक word बोलो. Mama. उनका जवाब है कुछ नहीं, which clearly means that she is just done with me, guys. So I think I don't need a word. This statement is more than enough. कुछ नहीं. Okay, so I anyway have like this little fear of not being there for my mom, my sister, my friends, my cats. Yeah, probably my cats. I miss them the most actually when I'm away. And also my closet, because I love having everything around me. I love having my clothes around me. I love having my perfume collection around me all the time. But obviously I can't carry the whole wardrobe with me when I'm going for shoots. But yeah, I miss my wardrobe the most, I think. Okay, if it cannot be from the industry, then I am hoping Leanne would answer my call at 3 a.m. So I think it's Leanne. I'm happy about the fact that I'm getting back towards journaling. I used to journal. I started journaling when I was 12 and I journaled for a long time, but then I stopped because of some creative or mind blockage or something. But I'm happy that I'm getting back towards journaling and it makes me happy. Oh my god, I have so many that always makes me laugh. Okay, one memory from my childhood that makes me happy would be playing Chor Police with all my society friends. Even when I'm actually visiting my old house and I see the garden, तो मुझे सब याद आ जाता है कि ये गाड़ियों के पीछे हम छुपते थे, ये पेड़ के पीछे मैं छुपती थी. एक ऐसे स्टेप्स रखे हुए तो उसको हम अपनी जेल बना देते थे. हम बहुत सीरियसली ले लेते थे वो गेम. मतलब चोर पुलिस हमने इतना सीरियसली ले लिया कि कई दोस्तियाँ टूट गई हैं जस्ट बिकॉज यू नो समवन चीटेड और समवन पुल्ड समवन्स टी शर्ट और हम बहुत सीरियसली ले लेते थे वो गेम. और चोर पुलिस में जो लड़ाइयाँ होती थी वो महीनों तक चलती थी हमारी. सो नाउ व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट इट, इट मेक्स मी लाफ. काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं. I mean, like, you know, I just maybe someday I mentioned that, you know, oh, I really like eating sweets or I'm craving cookies and a friend of mine just got cookies for me. So such little things. Or probably if I'm just like not actively posting something on Instagram or like, you know, I'm not replying to texts on time, so just calling me up asking that, hey, what's up, I hope everything is good because I see you're not active on Instagram or you're not replying. So ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा matter करती है. And anyone remembering what food craving I'm having and just giving me that food, it means a lot to me because yeah, I love food. When I got Romeo, so Romeo has always been this very shant billy, very, you know, very सहमी हुई डरी हुई बिल्ली. Like I used to think that Romeo is actually living my childhood. And one day I saw him climbing up the curtains and it was just I was doing something and I turned and I just saw this little chap up there. And I think that's the most hilarious thing he has done. or probably the reactions that he and my other cat Oski gives whenever I'm talking to them, because now they are like 3 and 2 years old, so they understand almost everything that we say and they react. So yeah, but I'll never forget that visual when I just turned and my Romeo was up there in the sky. Jim, and I'm so proud to say this, that nowadays I'm obsessed with gym. I'm actually like be it rain or shine, I am hitting the gym. So I like the fact that my current obsession is gym nowadays, and I'm really happy. Do my happy dance? I will do a happy dance if we hit 100K. 100K in like say 1 day. So I will do a happy dance. If we hit 100K in 1 day. So please guys, let's just try and make this happen. I've been saying this for everyone around me, all my friends who have YouTube channels, and it's time I finally say it for myself. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.